Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another video. Today we are in my bedroom. It is almost 7 o'clock at night and I just need to get my closet taken care of. It's driving me nuts. We just got home from dinner and I said to Kevin, like, I need an hour and I need to declutter my closet. It's driving me crazy and we're gonna take care of it. So it shouldn't take me super long, but I figured I would show you guys the before, the during, and the after, because there's so much in there that I don't wear, and I just need to purge literally everything. Literally half my makeup is all off my face, but it's okay. We're going with it. But I'm going to show you what it looks like before. I'm going to try to get rid of anything I haven't worn in the last 3 months or so, because everything that's in my closet and in my drawers now is all like my fall and winter stuff. All of my summer stuff is up in the attic, so there's not that much to go through, so it shouldn't be too bad, but there's just too much stuff. It's kind of messy. It needs to be decluttered and organized, so we're gonna do that. So if you guys are new, make sure you subscribe and let's get started. All right, so this this side is all mine. That side's Kevin's, and like this is split between his stuff and my stuff. I honestly don't know whose is whose, but that is all mine. That is all mine, and it's just so messy. So we are going to declutter and clean this mess up.
I'm out of reasons, I'm out of rhyme, but I'll only tell you that I'm out of time. I'm sick of love songs, I'm tired of this, and I wanna tell you straight just like it is. You're watching me like you want me, but you're still holding back, still holding back. Honestly, you're annoying me with the way that you keep playing. Show me your love like it is, like it is. Bend open my heart like you're fearless. Steal all the gold you can get, you can get. Show me your love, leave me breathless, breathless.
So I pulled out all the clothes that are or were on the little thing in our closet. This is all of the stuff I'm getting rid of. All this stuff down here doesn't fit. I've had it for so long, and I finally realized that like I can't fit into junior small clothes anymore, and it just looks bad when I'm trying to stuff myself into like those small clothes, and it's time to just buy like a regular small or medium shirt, you know, like a normal. I'm 36, I'm not 16 anymore. So now I'm gonna go through all the clothes on the bed, and then we're gonna organize this little stand where I keep like some workout clothes and my jeans and some heavy sweaters that don't fit in my drawers.
I'm out of patience, I'm out of feels, but I guess I'm waiting around for something real. I'm going crazy, like what's the deal? 'Cause I want you to show me what you feel. You're watching me like you want me, but you're still holding back, still holding back. Honestly, you're annoying me with the way that you keep playing. Show me your love like it is, like it is. Bend open my heart like you're fearless. Steal all the gold you can get, you can get. Show me your love, leave me breathless, breathless. Show me your love like it is, like it is. Bend open my heart like you're fearless. Steal all the gold you can get, you can get. Show me your love, leave me breathless, breathless.
right, look how much better that is. I kind of have everything organized by, like I have my jean jacket. I have a couple sweatshirts that I like that I keep hung up. My 2 blazers, I don't wear blazers often, but I do have them there. I kept 1 flannel. A couple like concert going tops, that's like this section right here, and then just like t-shirts, short sleeve shirts for work, and then long sleeve shirts, and then all of my dresses, and then my dress pants all right here, and all of my skirts. So, and then obviously this looks like a store. It's so pretty, so organized. Should we do the dresser? Dun, dun, dun. We're gonna do it. We're gonna do it. It's only 7:15. Let's do it.
Yeah, I'm your lighthouse, I'm the sun against your dark clouds. I will always be your guiding light. I'm your lighthouse, I'm the sun against your dark clouds. I will always be your guiding light. I know you're strong, need to get yourself together. Things still get better if you just believe it. Yeah, it's getting cold, waves are crashing in. When the streams are getting strong, just hold on to me. Yeah, I'm your lighthouse, I'm the sun against your dark clouds. I will always be your guiding light. I'm your lighthouse, I'm the sun against your dark clouds. I will always be your guiding light. Oh, 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 I'll be your guiding light. Oh, 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 I'll be your guiding light. Oh, 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 I'll be your guiding light. Oh, 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 oh. I know that it's getting cold, the waves are crashing in. When the streams are getting strong, just hold on to me. I'm your lighthouse, I'm the sun against your dark clouds. I will always be your guiding light. I'm your lighthouse, I'm the sun against your dark clouds. I will always be your guiding light. I'm your lighthouse, I'm the sun against your dark clouds. I will always.
All right, and we are done. Look at this. Long sleeve tops, tank tops, more like tank tops and bodysuits, workout tops over here, my pajamas and leggings drawer. Oh God, I'm so excited. These are all of like my chunky other sweaters that don't fit in the closet. Black sweaters. I got rid of the other black sweaters that I had because I've had them forever. These are all like cardigans that I wear to work. And then here are all my sweatshirts and like tops, like the one I'm wearing, like knit tops. And I even left a spot for that top to go. So that is another whole pile right there that I'm going to have to get a separate trash bag for. And I pulled out a few things that I am going to, this is, I can't show you because it says Leighton's Dance Studio on it, but it's like a full one piece that we're going to wear to like the competitions, the moms and I. So that is that. I got to find a spot for that, but I'm going to hang this up. And I found a few just like basics that I think I'm going to hang up as well. And those are my pajamas for tonight. I've never worn this, so that's going. And that pile too. And then I need to find a spot for this. It's like my PJ bathrobe. I'm obsessed with this. My mother-in-law gave it to me for Christmas, so I think I'm gonna maybe just hang it up or hang it up in the bathroom like my bathrobe. So cute. So that is it for this video. I know I look a hot mess. I'm gonna go shower and get everything done. This light is on because the lighting in my bedroom tonight and every night is like awful. So that is it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed another declutter, organize with me. My plan, this is what I've been doing for like the last couple of weeks, as I've been doing like a grocery haul, a meal prep video, and an organize with me video. So I've been posting like Tuesdays, Thursday, Friday, and then Sunday. So let me know if you guys like a schedule. If you don't like a schedule, if you like just random posting, if there's anything different, any other kind of videos you want to see. Tomorrow I'm filming a day in the life video, so I don't know if I'll just throw that in instead of doing like a grocery haul, because I don't think I'm going to need much next week, so I might not do a grocery haul. The one I posted today was like literally, I think, 4 minutes long, so I think 3 minutes of it was me talking. So if you guys are new, make sure you subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!